Hi, and thanks for joining me. In this video I will aim to help you understand and remove the nasty Gestyy virus. I unfortunately had this virus on my phone and it wasn't easy to get rid of. There isn't much detailed information on it, such as where it's installed on your device, where it came from or how to get rid of it, so I've read all I could online and researched a few videos about removing it, but they only ever seem to remove it for a short while. I've waited a whole month before preparing this video to ensure I was virus free before I helped others and shared this. The virus appears to be relatively low threat malware, which means it infects your device without your knowledge, tries hard not to be detected, and its ultimate aim is to get you to click on a link which diverts you to either unwanted websites or shopping sites, and ultimately enables the virus creator to make money. So how does a device become infected? For me, it certainly didn't come from visiting any unsavoury websites. My Android phone has never been rooted, and for those who don't know, that's where you unlock the phone and lose some security settings. My device is up to date with software updates and I haven't downloaded any apps in a while. What I found is that you can contract the virus in all of these ways, which left me a bit puzzled. How do you know when you've got the virus? These symptoms may vary, but typically you will be in an app and without doing anything your screen is taken straight to Google Chrome, although I think it can be other browsers too, and is preloaded with a Gestyy web address and then an array of things on the screen for you to click on. These can be images or Android looking pop-ups, and they present themselves under different guises and are desperately seeking you to click on them. You basically ignore it and carry on, and then in a few hours time or a few days time, basically it loads the same Gestyy screen again and just keeps coming back, and sometimes when you first switch on your phone. So the other videos I watched first took me through resetting the browser data and cache, which like I said could be good for a while, but sure enough, like a bad penny, it comes back. I then completed a more in-depth one which turned off all notifications through the security settings and then uninstalled Google Chrome, and although this looked hopeful, yet again a few days later the virus pops up as bold as brass. So my next steps was to try virus removal software. I first downloaded Avast from the Google Play Store and installed it. It ran its scan and found no threats, which was disappointing. I then tried one called Gestyy. This one immediately detected a malware. It came from a video editing app which I installed via the Google Play Store a long time ago. It no longer appears in the store, so I suspect they became aware of this problem and revoked the app. It's a shame a notification isn't sent out about no longer supporting apps like this, as it would help users to decide to uninstall them. Or perhaps the Android system updates could look for viruses like this and automatically remove them. After Kaspersky removed the app, I then went to Settings, selected Google Chrome, forced it to stop, disabled it, reset the data and cache, and then I enabled Chrome again and finally restarted the device. So to conclude, you can contract viruses from visiting unsafe websites, downloading unsafe files from the internet, including Microsoft Office and PDF files, and from downloading apps through unofficial and official methods. So be cautious of what websites you visit, what links and downloads you click on, and be mindful of any apps you download, especially when they have further downloads with inside them. On this instance, for the Gestyy virus, the Kaspersky app detected and removed it. The other option you could consider is a full factory reset of your device, but of course that is very inconvenient, time consuming, and would need you to fully back up your device first, but this option would cleanse the virus from your device. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and if so, please do click on the like and subscribe buttons. I also have lots more videos and regularly upload new ones, so do subscribe to check them out, and I look forward to you joining me next time.